The word train doesn't show up a lot in the reg, but you'll see a lot of, oh, you have to communicate, you have to review, you have to have knowledgeable people. And all of those things end up meaning that you have to train them in some way, shape, or form. And that you're tracking it so that when you are audited, you can show that you have met the requirements of the PSM standard. And understanding, executing, and tracking all of that training can be expedited using comprehensive workflows like PSE and a learning management system such as PSL. Examples of some of that implied training are like for PHA leaders or your PSM manager. PHA team leaders have to be knowledgeable in the specific process that you're going to be using. You might want to send them to a course like the PHA HAZOP leader course that's within PSL. And PSM program managers have to be knowledgeable about the program itself in order to be compliant. And again, you might want to send them to a course like the PSM Essentials course that's in PSL. This type of training that's recurring can be assigned within our PSE training workflows and then managed there. And then any specifics, you can go to PSL to see it. More examples, the communication or review of impacted employees for PHAs and incident investigation findings, reviews for pre-startup safety reviews, your changing operating procedures, your compliance audit results, management of change, or safety meeting minutes. But using PSE and very easily being able to communicate and review these types of things with your employees and track them for auditing purposes, PSE is a very nice platform for that.